Today we're going to have a look at Microsoft Whiteboard. To get to Microsoft Whiteboard, go to your Outlook 9 dots here, click on it, and then go to Whiteboard. Whiteboard will come up and you'll see any of the whiteboards you've created in the past. Used this a lot during COVID. Has a few new features though. What you can then do is go to creating a new whiteboard. We're going to call this whiteboard Ryan Gosling Tribute. Click on the tick, so now it's renamed. It's a good idea to do that, otherwise you'll have a lot of different Microsoft Whiteboard 1, 2, 3, all those kind of things. You go back home here as well if you want to see the whiteboards that you have created. Lots of things you can do here. One thing to navigate, because you'll see this is pretty unlimited. If you're on a Mac, you can press spacebar and move along. You can also do that with your double finger. There, you can move and add things anywhere on your whiteboard. You can use sticky notes here as well. So click on a sticky note, click it where you want it to be and say Ryan Gosling was here. And think about how you can collaborate with this, and that's a good segue into how you can collaborate. You can go to share here. You can either type in emails of people you'd like to share it with and add a message of what you want to do, or you can go here, choose the people you want. So if you want specific people, you can click here. If you want anyone in the organization here, for Pymble Ladies College, you can click here and just press apply. You can comment, so I can come here and comment like you would in a Teams document. You can add text. Okay, so I can click here and choose text. Let's go handwritten, and I'm going to choose Ryan Gosling fan page. I can then add shapes as well. So put a triangle, start here. So this can be a good way of getting someone to navigate around your page. You could then have an arrow and say this way. So because it's such a huge page, it's a good idea to maybe map it out as well. And then you can also, you've got these three dots, you can add all of these types of things. So you can add a different template. So you might want to do some where in the world, use this template and it will choose a good spot for you. So that's just to the right here. If I move back, that's where I've been working, and here is this template. This is a game that you can play. All of these are editable sticky notes, and in here is editable as well. So think about how you can use that. We will go back to those templates because there are lots of them. You can see here you have effect diagrams, you have jobs to be done, so that could be a good one when you're meeting with your team. Design and research here, you got an empathy map, and again you can preview it, see what it looks like. If you like it, you can then use that template. With these three dots down here, you can add images. Now you can upload images from your OneDrive or from your laptop. You can also go to Bing Images, and these are all using Creative Commons license. So I can type in Ryan Gosling, and you can see here it's ticked for Creative Commons only. And I'm going to choose this one here, insert it, and you can see it will now add it to my whiteboard. I can then change the size of that, and you can add videos. So you can actually go onto YouTube, stream, flip, TED, any of these, and you can insert your link. So let's go to YouTube. We've got a link here from a previous Digital Insights, and we're going to add that to our whiteboard, and you'll see it creates the preview there, so you know you've got the right video, and it's going to add it to our whiteboard, and we can move that wherever we want, and we can also make it larger, and then when we press play it will start for us too, or you can go and listen to it or watch it on the YouTube page. One last feature I wanted to show you is you can actually use this in Teams. I can go to share And one of the sharing features is Microsoft Whiteboard. So I can click here and I can go to the Ryan Gosling tribute one that I've created, and then anyone in your meeting can, if you've given them the rights, they can edit and interact with it as well.